In this video, we'll look at how to convert the metric units of capacity, and we're looking at liters and milliliters. 1 liter equals 1,000 milliliters. To convert from a larger unit to a smaller unit, you multiply, and to convert from a smaller unit to a larger unit, you divide. This is an acronym to help you remember which operation to follow based on the question. Best soccer mom, big unit to small unit, you multiply, and silly babies dancing, small unit to big unit, you divide. Okay, let's start with an example. How many milliliters can you find in 9 liters? How many milliliters can you find in 9 liters? Okay, we just have one row in this table of metric units. 1 liter equals 1,000 milliliters. So which unit is bigger? Liter is the big unit and milliliters is the small unit. In fact, the word milliliters means a liter divided by 1,000. 1 liter divided by 1,000. That's the meaning of milliliters. So always remember, liter is the big unit and milliliters is the small unit. If you're moving from big to small, what do? Multiply. And this is big to small, from liters to milliliters, which we're yet to know. So the number of liters you have is 9. Big to small, you're multiplying. Number of milliliters in 1 liter is 1,000. So how many milliliters can we find in a liter? That's 9,000. 9,000 milliliters. All right, let's take another example. Converting from milliliters to liters. How many liters can you find in 5,000 milliliters? How many liters can you find in 5,000 milliliters? Okay, the relationship between liters and milliliters, we know that it's 1 liter equals 1,000 milliliters. We also know that liter is the big unit and milliliters is the small unit. So we are moving from the small unit to the big unit. We are moving from what we know to what we are yet to know, what we are yet to figure out. And if it's from small unit to big unit, silly babies dancing, we divide. So let's go ahead and do just that. 5,000 divided by, what's the relationship? The number of milliliters in a liter, it's 1,000. 5,000 divided by 1,000 will give you 5. So we have 5 liters in 5,000 milliliters. All right, so why don't you try this question out? How many milliliters can you find in 25 liters? Pause the video and come back with your answer. Welcome back. The relationship between liters and liters, 1 liter equals 1,000 milliliters. Liter is the big unit, milliliter is the small unit. We are moving from big to small. If you're moving from big to small, we multiply. Best soccer mom. So 25 times 1,000 will give us the number of milliliters in 25 liters. And that's 25,000 milliliters. That's simple, right? Okay, one more question for you to try. And this is it. How many liters can you find in 4,000 milliliters? You pause the video, work it out, and come back when you have your answer. Welcome back. Okay, our units here are liter and milliliters. How many liters can we find in 4,000 milliliters? What's the relationship? 1 liter equals 1,000 milliliters. Which unit is the big unit? Liter. The unit with 1 is the big unit. Which unit is the small unit? Milliliters. And then you come back to your question. You're moving from what you know to what you're yet to know. So we are moving from milliliters to liters. That means you're moving from the small unit to the big unit. Remember, from small to big, we divide. Silly babies dancing. So 4,000 divided by the relationship, 1,000, the number of milliliters in a liter. 4,000 divided by 1,000 would give you 4. So right here you have 4 liters in 4,000 milliliters. All right, I believe you know how to convert from liters to milliliters and milliliters to liters. Thanks for watching. Bye.